When your Skybox remote stops working, the first step is always to check the batteries. This simple fix resolves most remote control issues. SkyQ remotes use two AA batteries, while Sky HD remotes require two AAA batteries. Always ensure the batteries are inserted with correct polarity, positive and negative ends in the right direction. If replacing batteries doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to repair your remote with the Skybox. For SkyQ remotes, press and hold both the home button and the 0 button simultaneously for 5 seconds until the LED light turns amber. Alternatively, you can pair through the settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Setup, then Remote Control, and select Pair Remote. For Sky HD remotes, the process is different. Press and hold the Sky button, then press Select and 9 together until the LED blinks twice. Then enter the 4-digit code for your specific Skybox model. These two simple steps, battery replacement and repairing, successfully resolve approximately 85% of all Sky remote control issues. When repairing fails, a complete remote reset is needed. This process clears any stored settings and allows for a fresh connection. Step 1. Remove both batteries from the remote control. This completely cuts power to the internal circuits. Step 2. Press and hold any button for 10 seconds. This drains any remaining electrical charge from the remote's internal components. Step 3. Reinsert the batteries with correct polarity, then repair the remote using the home and 0 button combination. If the remote reset doesn't work, the issue may be with the SkyQ box itself. A box reset can resolve communication problems. To reset the SkyQ box, unplug the power cable from the back of the unit. Wait 30 seconds for all internal systems to fully shut down. Reconnect the power cable and allow the box to fully restart. The startup process takes approximately 2 minutes. Repair your remote once the box is ready. Signal interference from other electronic devices can disrupt the radio frequency connection between your remote and SkyQ box. This diagram shows how SkyQ boxes communicate. Other wireless devices can interfere with these signals, causing remote control problems. Move wireless routers, mobile phones, and LED lights away from your SkyQ box. These devices operate on similar frequencies and can cause interference. Proper ventilation is crucial. Overheating can affect the box's radio frequency reception and cause remote control issues. Software updates can resolve remote control compatibility issues. Check for updates in your SkyQ box settings menu. Navigate to the settings menu on your SkyQ box to check for software updates. Outdated software can cause remote control problems. Access settings, then setup, then system details to check for available updates. Install any pending updates and restart your box when prompted. As a last resort, a factory reset will restore your SkyQ box to original settings. However, this will permanently erase all your recordings. Factory reset should only be used when all other solutions have failed. Navigate to Settings, Setup, System Details, then select Factory Reset. These advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most persistent remote control issues. If problems continue, contact Sky Customer Support for hardware replacement options.